You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. There are different pronunciations. We're going to look at the English pronunciation and Spanish. Spanish pronunciation, Sergio, Sergio. Stress on the first syllable, Sergio. Now in Italian, Sergio. Oh, sorry, Sergio, Sergio. This is why in English it's generally pronounced as Sergio, Sergio, although Spanish again, Sergio. So if you want to emulate this Spanish pronunciation in English, Sergio, Sergio, that would be your English pronunciation of the Spanish name, but Sergio if it's Italian. I hope this all makes sense. So you have Sergio, Spanish, Sergio, Italian, Sergio or Sergio in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.